welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video, it's gonna be a short one. Um, it's gonna be about our front lower DRLs. So I got some questions in regards on how I wire this. So I never made a video or a vlog about this front DRL. So let me quickly show you. So these are the DRLs. So this comes with different designs or patterns. So I choose to get those. All right, so with the wiring, okay. So with the turn signal, so I tap into this one. So that's where I did my piggyback. So that's the turn signal here. So it's connected there. So because these are switchback DRLs. And then I did the same thing on this side. So these are the same wiring. So the green one to your turn signal. And then if you see this red one, it's connected to our park light there. So that's this. The side markers. So when you turn the DRLs, or I'm sorry, the park lights, those will turn on your DRLs. So it is currently connected to my charger because I haven't used it for a while. So my battery was dead, so it's flat. So it's actually 5 days. It's actually full now. After what? 72 hours, it's full. So, yep. So here are the DRLs. I know some of you guys are already familiar with this. So, yep. So let's see. So DRL here, then DRL there. If you can see, the side markers are also lit up. So let's do the signal. Oh, we can't do signal, huh? We can do hazard. Okay. Wait. If I can reach it. There you go. We got hazard. There you go, guys. All right, so let me just turn it off. I'll explain some more stuff here, which you probably know. Well, it's up to you how to do this. But hold on. I'm not gonna edit this video. It's gonna be a raw. I'll update it raw or upload it raw. So, yep. So, yeah, so my wiring or the box that comes with the DRL, the controller itself, I put it under here, under this plastic. So I just zip tied it. So it's secure in there. But, yep, so again, with the turn signal, you connect it to the green wire on your turn signal here. And then with the power, the fuse power, that is connected to your side marker. You only have to connect it on one side. You don't have to do it on the other side. There's nothing in there. So you can just simply twist the side marker and connect it to the red wire. So red wire on the side marker to get the power on your DRLs. So that's it, guys. That's a quick video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.